Okay, I'm making this video because I couldn't actually find a video on this about on my particular setup. I've recently bought a soundbar, and I can't, and I couldn't get it hooked up via HDMI out, but I found out how to do it, and I'll show you in this video. But none of the other videos that I was watching helped me in any way. Like, it just didn't, like, it was all different. So like, I'll give you an example. When I went to the settings tab on this TV, it a lot of videos would say, oh, go to system, go to device settings, and then, like, turn on HDMI ARC or something. But as you can see, there isn't that option in the system settings on this particular TV model. So what you had to do is this. What you're going to do is there's a button on your remote, and it's like 4 lines. It's just 4 lines, and you hit that button. Hold on, if you go back here, just in the PS4. So yeah, so go back into your main picture or whatever you're going, like like TV or whatever. And if you press those 3 buttons, you get a different little settings menu, and you have an option called T-Link. This option, if you click it, click into it, there should be an option to turn off or on. Turn it on. Because if you haven't turned it on before, it'll be off. And so turn it on, and what that does is it allows the TV to pick up other devices, and like hook them up and sync into them. And so once you've done that, it should pick up, like, once you've got make sure your HDMI port is obviously plugged into the HDMI outlet on your TV, and on the soundbar itself. But once you've done that, once T-Link is turned on, it should be able to detect the soundbar, and that you might get the problem of like when you start playing music, say on Spotify or something, the sound will come both through the TV and the speakers, and you'll have this echoing noise. Just restart your TV, and the soundbar should automatically connect after having the T-Link turned on. And then what that will do is that will cancel that turns off the TV sound, so it will just come through the soundbar or whatever you're using, and then you have sound on your TCL TV.